A South Australian animal sanctuary is playing a key part in a national effort to save the Tasmanian devil from a deadly facial disease. Two marsupials at Monarto Zoo have passed behavioural tests and are soon to be released into the wild.
These small but feisty creatures only know life inside four walls. But if all goes to plan, two of their companions will have a new home off Tasmania's east coast.
Even though they have been bred in captivity, they still retain enough shyness from people to be released, but at the same time they're also inquisitive.
Monarto Zoo's breeding program houses 19 devils, including these three recently born.
He's a feisty one. Oi.
They're part of a national breeding program set up 8 years ago to protect the endangered species in Tasmania from a facial tumour disease. In some parts of that state, it's wiped out 90% of the population. The two Monarto devils are set to join 15 other devils bred in captivity in Tasmania and released last November.
They'll be medical tested, and if everything passes that, then they're off to Maria Island probably end of October.
Maria Island was chosen because it is devil-free and the disease is not there.
The devils in captivity have had very little human contact, which keepers say will help them better transition to their natural habitat.
Because they're a scavenging animal at this point in time, any particular areas that have had releases or semi-releases are being supplementary fed, so the food is pretty much still being taken to them.
It'll be the first time a devil from the national breeding program on the mainland is released into the wild.
It's very wonderful to see something come full circle, where you take animals out of the wild to save them and then you start putting them back in.
The national program is aiming to have an overall insurance population of 500 to ensure the species' survival. Nicola Gage, ABC News, Monarto.